Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to add date of birth on Lazada. Also I wonder why you want to know how to add date of birth on Lazada. Maybe because you want to add the date of birth on it so that you could get products based on your age, so that you could get preferred the products that are related to how old you are. Or maybe when you created your account you accidentally added the wrong date of birth, so now you want to correct it. Or there could be any other reason for you to add your date of birth on Lazada. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top and into the middle of the page, and have different products that you can purchase and then can just go through. And we have other options at the bottom as well. As you can see, we have a lot of products, different categories and promotions on this page because we are at the For You page. We have other four options as well. The second option, which is on the right side of the For You, is feed. Once you click on it, there you will again see different kind of products that get featured on your feed. Then we have this option, messages. There, if you have done any chats, it will appear here. And in cart you will get different products that you have added into cart. You have to click onto this option, which is account. Once you get there, you will see different options related to your account and other stuff. So here you have to click on this settings icon. Once you tap on it, you will get into settings. First you will read its title, and there you will see different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, just simply tap onto this first option, account. Once you click on it, you will see different options related to your account settings. So here we have an option which says birthday, which is as same as date of birth. So you have to click on it, and after that you have to enter your date of birth. First, you have to choose the year in which you were born. You can choose any year, you can choose your own or any year, but make sure you're 18 plus. And after that, you have to choose the month in which you were born. And once you have done it, then you have to add the date on which you were born. Once you have entered all these things, you're okay with it, just simply click on confirm, and your date of birth will be added or updated on this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add your date of birth on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.